Hey everybody, it's Chris the Chrome Consultant at Boston Harley-Davidson. Got another video here for you, some customization. No, this is not the CVO Mako Fade Road Glide. This is a 2019 Billiard Blue Road Glide Special. We did put the Road Glide Ferrin spoilers on. That goes with the chopped engine guard. You got to do that with that kit so it will fit. The other ones interfere. So really digging these. They're growing on me. Both the color and that kit. Gives a nice clean sharp look. Integrates that front end nicely. Speaking of the front end, we changed it up here with some factory 47 16-inch bars as well. Did all the Harley black pearl braided lines. And we got some new Kahuna grips here on this bike. Get a nice close up of that. A red bar and shield there to finishing touch. Nice 35-degree bend brake line and clutch line goes with the lines of the bar. This is the second round on this bike. First time around we did do a stage 4, and the new 19s come with a 114, so this is now 117 stage 4 kit. CNC ported heads, high compression pistons, cams, throttle body. Finished off the Screaming Eagle mufflers. Don't worry, I got you guys. Had to improvise, but that plate is covered by that sweet Harley hat. Really cool bike. Gives it a nice custom look. Winter storage is coming. That cold weather's coming, unfortunately, but we're here ready for you guys. If you need anything, give us a call, 617-389-8888. Thanks, have a great night.